If you want to learn how to log into CapCut on PC quickly and without confusion, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest method to sign into CapCut on your desktop using Google Sign-In, and I'll also show you the QR code option so you can connect your mobile app if that's easier for you. This is perfect if you're setting up CapCut for the first time, switching accounts, or just trying to get back into your workspace so you can keep editing without delays. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your PC and wait for the homepage to load. Once you're on the main screen, look at the upper left corner of the interface. That's where you'll find the Sign In button. Click Sign In to begin the login process. Now, you should see two main options. The first option is Use QR Code. If you choose this, CapCut will display a QR code on your computer screen. You can then open the CapCut mobile app on your phone, scan the QR code, and confirm the login from your mobile device. This is a very convenient option if you already use CapCut on your phone and want to connect your account instantly. The second option is Continue with Google. If you want the fastest login method on PC, this is usually the easiest choice. Click Continue with Google, and your browser will open automatically. From there, select the Google account that is linked to the CapCut profile you want to use. If you're already signed into multiple Google accounts, make sure you choose the correct one so you don't sign into the wrong workspace. After selecting your account, CapCut may ask for permission to redirect you back to the app. When that happens, click Open CapCut. This is the step that sends you from the browser back into the desktop app so the login can be completed successfully. Once CapCut finishes connecting your account, go back to the upper left corner of the homepage and check for confirmation. If everything worked properly, the Sign In button will disappear and you'll see your profile avatar and nickname instead. That's the easiest way to confirm that you are officially logged in. If you ever don't see your account right away, just refresh the app or repeat the sign-in process and make sure the correct Google account was selected. And that's it. You now know how to log into CapCut on PC using either QR code or Google Sign-In. It only takes a moment once you know where to click, and now you can get back to editing videos right away. If this video helped you, please hit like and subscribe for more CapCut and software tutorials coming up next.